morning children, welcome to my channel Computer Education 2K. Today we will do a program. Question is, write a program to enter a number and check it is a special number or not. Special number is a number whose sum of the factorial of the digit is equal to that number. Factorial means, see, to do this special number program, first you should know how to find out the factorial of a number, because special number is a number whose sum of the factorial of the digit is equal to that number. Factorial. Now see, say I have taken a number 4. I have taken a number 4. Then factorial of 4 will be, I have taken a number 4. Suppose I have taken a number 4. I have taken a number 4. The factorial of 4 will be 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. That is factorial. And this represented by this sign. Suppose I have taken a number 5. Then the factorial of 5 will be the factorial of 5. This means factorial of 5. The factorial of 5 will be 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Okay? Suppose you have to find out the factorial of 3. Then you can write like this. This represents factorial of 3 and this means 1 into 2 into 3. So these are called factorial. So this way we can find the factorial of a number. So factorial of 5 will be 120 and the factorial of 4 will be 24 and factorial of 3 will be 6. So this is called factorial. So first you should know how to find out the factorial of a number. So that I have shown here. So I have taken number n. In n, number will be stored, and in f, I will store the factorial, and I have taken a variable I to make a loop. See, you have to make a loop while finding the factorial of a number, because you will keep multiplying the number from 1 to that number. You will keep multiplying. You will repeatedly multiply from 1 to that number, and when you repeat something, you have to use a loop. I have used a for loop here. So you have to repeatedly multiply the number. Suppose you have to find out the factorial of 4, then you have to multiply 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. So 1 to 4, you have to make a loop. Suppose you want to find out the factorial of 5, you have to make a loop from 1 to 5. Suppose you want to find out the factorial of 3, you have to make a loop from 1 to 3. So for that, I have taken I for the loop, n for the number, and f for factorial. So here we are seeing how to find the factorial of a number. So computer will ask you to enter a number, and here the number will be entered. Suppose you are entering 4, so n will become 4. So you will make a loop from 1 to 4 for I equals to 1, I less than equals to 4, I plus plus. And here you will find 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. Here the factorial of 4 will be found, and here it will be printed. So this way the factorial of a number is found. We have done this because while doing special number program, you should know how to find the factorial of a number, because special number is a number whose sum of the factorial of the digits is equal to that number. Say 145. 145 is a special number because the factorial of 1 plus factorial of 4 plus factorial of 5 equals to 145. So 145 is a special number. So we will take 145 and I will explain this program. So here I have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 variable, I for loop. Just now you have seen, you have to make a for loop. I for loop, f for factorial, n we will store the number, p in p we will store the original number, and d to get the separated digits, because you have to separate the number and you have to store the digits, and that digits factorial you have to find out. Okay, so d will store the separated digits, and here I have given one message, enter a number. In n, number will be entered, and in p the original number will be stored for future. Okay, Okay. Now, you know how to separate the digit of a number. You have to keep dividing the number by 10 until the number will not become 0. And in the remainder, you will get the separated digits. So, how to separate? 1, 4, 5. See, you have to divide by 10. Suppose I have taken 1, 4, 5. If you divide it by 10, in remainder, first time you will get 5. Then next time you will take 14. If you divide 14 by 10, in remainder you will get 4. And in quotient, you got 1. So, the digits 1, 4, 5 is separated. Now, here this logic will use. But how long you will divide? Until the number will not become 0. That's why I have written here, while n not equals to 0. First time the value of n is what? 145, that is not 0. Come down, here we are getting the separated digits. First time, here we will get what? Here we will get 5. That 5 factorial I have to find out. That's why I have made a loop from 1 to 5. D is 5. So 1 to 5, here we will get factorial of 5. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 we will get here. So here we will get what? 120, and that will be added in S. 120 will be added in S. And n will be what? N will be 14. And 14 is not equal to 0. Yes, condition true. Come down. Now D will be what? Now D will be 4. D will be 4. Because you are dividing n by 10. N is 14. So 14 by 10 and taking the remainder. So D will be 4. And here you are finding, here you are making a loop from 1 to 4 and finding the factorial of 4. The factorial of 4 is what? 24. That you will be getting here. Okay? And yes, 24 will be added here in S. And in N, now you will get what? You will get 1. So 1 is not equals to 0. Yes, come down. Now in D, you will get 1 only. And that 1 will also be added here. So you got here, what in S you got 145. In S you got 145. But one thing you can see here, I have given here S equals to 1. First time the factorial of 5 was 120. Okay, if you do not make S equals to 1 here, that 1 will be 20 will be multiplied here with 24. So for the next digit, you have to make this S equals to 1. Okay. So you can see S is becoming 145, S is becoming 145. You can see P is also 145. I am matching here. If S equals to P, computer will print P is what? 145. 145 is special number. If you enter any other number which are not special number, then computer will execute else part and computer will say that is not a special number. So this way this program is done, children. Now you will solve one question at home. So write down the question. Question is, write a program to print the special number, all special number from 1 to 500. That is your homework. Write a program to print all special number from 1 to 500. You please do it and send in my comment box. Okay. And please do like, share and subscribe my channel, Computer Education 2K. Okay, thank you very much.